Problem number 3, we know what we've got to do, right? We're going to say 5 raised to the 1 minus 1, 5 raised to the 2 minus 1. Let's just write out the steps. I want you to say, what's 1 minus 1? 0 plus 5, 2 minus 1. When am I going to stop?
7.
At 7, right? Because the upper boundary is 8, so we're going to stop at 7. So I am going to require that you guys write this down this way, okay? All right, cool. So now, if I want to get that answer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Menu. And you should get a menu like this. And we're going to go to Calculus. Okay? Is everybody on the menu that says Calculus?
Yes.
I'll give you a second. Then you're going to hit the arrow to the right. Now I said this was summation notation, didn't I? So go down till you select sum. Okay, so you're going to hit menu, then calculus, then sum. Okay. I want you to do it on the calculator too. All right, now when you hit enter, guess what? Hey, does that look familiar?
Yes.
So you can literally put it in exactly like the problem is. I'm going to say M. You could use X though if you wanted to, but I'm going to say M is the lower boundary of 1. Now you got to be careful. I'm going to say 5, then this caret symbol. This is the caret symbol. That's how you raise it to a power. See this button right here? This button right here. This one right here. It's pointing upward. We call it the caret symbol because it looks like a caret pointing upward. You're going to hit that button, and what it does is it gives you a superscript, or it gives you a little box up here like this. Then I'm going to say M, but I got to put it in parentheses. So I'm going to say M minus 1, and then close the parentheses. Okay? So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put an 8 in here. Okay, so now, guess what this will do? If I hit enter, it will automatically calculate 5 to the 0 plus 5 to the 1 and then add them all up. So it gives me the final answer. Whoops, I didn't hit 0, I hit the wrong button. Or, I mean, you're supposed to hit enter.
Oh, you have a comma or something.
Oh, yeah, I goofed up and hit that button. Okay, here we go. So if I add it all up, it's 97,656. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So this whole thing is equal to 97,000, 656. Does that make sense? All right.